Hi everyone, my name is Ibrahim, founder of WeShot. Imagine a platform where every snapshot you take becomes a part of vibrant canvas, showcasing the pulse of the world. With WeShot, capturing life as it unfolds is just a tap away. Whether it's spontaneous laughter of friends or grandeur of your sunset, WeShot empowers you to share your world one shot at a time. Our intuitive design ensures that the essence of the moment is never lost in translation, but instead shared to inspire. Now, let me guide you through the sea of stories. A tapestry of human experience as vast and varied as life itself. Each scroll through WeShot is voyage across cultures, emotions, and personal narratives. Content on WeShot resonates because it's curated for you, echoing your interests, patience, and endless quest for discovery. It's where every user story finds a home and every scroll tells a tale. Personalization isn't just a feature, it's the foundation of WeShot. Our platform learns and adapts to your preferences, creating a visual feed that's unique as your fingerprint. The more you engage with the content, the more it mirrors your tastes, becoming a reflection of your personality and your ever-evolving journey. WeShot isn't just an app, it's your personal storyteller. In a world brimming with data, WeShot harnesses the transformative power of AI language and vision models to elevate your storytelling. Our partnership with Microsoft ensures that we are equipped with the most advanced AI capabilities, offering our users an unparalleled experience from content discovery to creation. Every aspect of WeShot is enhanced by AI, making the complex simple and the ordinary extraordinary. With WeShot, we are not just imagining the future, we are bringing it to life. Thank you for your time and consideration.